Hi there, welcome to another day here in Chiang Mai. My name is Ali and this is my little friend Makur Ted. Coming up in today's video, okay Ted, let's go. Well, good morning to you. I've come out to the Chiang Mai Air Sport airfield. This is a small airfield out in San Kamphaeng. I came here a month ago and advertised that it would be an air show here this week from the 6th through to the 10th, and many people have also shared the event on Facebook and local media. I do hope lots of people come out and support this this week, because it's a very interesting hobby for young people and for old, for many walks of life, to enjoy the other little things that happen that aren't just day to day in our lives. Is there a club here, and do you belong to that club?
Not really a club as such, but yeah, we're part of the Chiang Mai Air Association.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how big is that, and what does it do, or what does it have?
Well, mostly ultralights, of course, and light aircraft, things like that, and RC planes.
Okay. And you meet regularly?
Yeah, we usually fly every week. Yeah.
It's not a big club though.
No?
No, there's only probably 5 consistent members.
Now, I've got to see this guy's shirt. He's stolen my channel name, Living the Good Life. How's the wind?
Oh, the wind's fine, yeah, there's a little bit there. I think my battery's not good. I charged it, but it's not good. Whoops.
Sorry, my name's Ali, and forgive me, I don't want to interrupt you or disturb you or put you off in any way, but is it okay if I video you?
Yeah.
Great stuff. Nice to meet you.
เด็กๆมองกล้องหนึ่งสองสามหมวกบางอะลูก
บางหมดเหรอลูก
Good morning.
Morning.
Sawadee krap, sawadee krap. Morning. And what are you doing today?
Working in the dynamic balance propeller.
Oh,
In the working process, after finish in the overhaul shop,
ครับ
the static balance in the shop is installed in the airplane
Okay.
at the dynamic balance to the aerodynamic.
Okay.
อันนี้เสร็จแล้วโอ้ต้องไปหาพี่ปอยว่า
This guy here, he is actually, I don't understand fully, but I think what he's doing, he's balancing or measuring the balance of the aircraft and ensuring that it's still fit to fly, and he's processing it through a small pad computer type thing that he's got there.
Là cái đi bay ngoài mà.
There are some radio control enthusiasts over there, both young and old, and there are clubs that have come here too. I don't think there's a competition going on right now, but it could be later. And there are people that have bought their own aircraft and flying around. Sadly, I hope I didn't interfere with the flight. He said I didn't, but he crashed his aircraft. But there are so many varieties of small radio-controlled aircraft here, both fuel, which is wet, which is the glow fuel type thing, and also battery. So it's interesting to see both types here. If I could, if you don't mind me videoing, do you?
No.
I'm a YouTuber. My name's Ali, and I make videos for interest for
You're the
people.
one that put the how to get here on
Yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
And it's just of interest to people if they pick it up, and you know, some of people are interested in the flying, some people are interested in an event for their family, you know.
Yes, oh yes. This has an endurance of 4.5 hours,
Okay.
and I do 70 knots or about 135 kilometres an hour.
Okay. And are you based here in Chiang Mai?
Yes, oh yes.
Okay.
This is home.
Because I believe several people are flying in and out again.
Oh, lots of people, yes. With some with gyros too.
Good, good.
I've flown fixed wing most of my life, over 24,000 hours of flying.
Oh wow. On what aircrafts?
Well, I retired on Boeing 777. The last 19 years of my career was on 777
Okay.
as a captain,
Brilliant.
and but this can do things that fixed wings can't do.
Gives you that freedom to just to.
I'm a scuba diver or a pilot. I like three-dimensional movement.
Yes,
Land is just two-dimensional.
exactly so.
So,
Yes, I can appreciate that.
so that's why I've loved it my whole life.
Yeah, yeah.
The only thing to get me up early in the morning is the 3 Fs, but you better not be recording that. Fishing, flying, and something else. Starts with F.
You do a lot of fishing as well, do you?
Oh, I love fishing, yeah.
You're a private pilot.
Yeah.
You've got your own license in the States.
Yeah, a long time.
You don't mind me videoing this, do you?
Oh, are we on video?
Yeah.
For what? Are you like Fox News or something?
No, not Fox News. No,
No,
I'm
it's okay. I love Fox News.
just a YouTube channel that
Oh,
does
okay.
local stuff.
Yeah, I have a private pilot's license, single engine land from the States. I've had since 1982.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
how did you find out about this place?
I came yesterday to do a test run, but I learned out there was an air show on these dates, but didn't know where. I was expecting it to be at Chiang Mai
Sure,
Airport.
sure.
Like a real air show.
Sure.
You know, jets and the whole bit.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
But, I
do you come to Thailand often? Do you live here?
I
or-
live here.
Yeah. So do
I
you
live
come
in
on Children's Day?
I know. Again, this is
Because
my first
because the
time
main
here.
airport, on Children's Day every year, which is in January, February. Forgive me, I don't know the date. But they open the airport up and children go
You
in.
mean Chiang Mai Airport?
Yeah, and there's
Really?
flying of all sorts of aircraft, especially for the Children's
I did
Day,
not know that.
because Children's Days they make a big thing of Children's Day in Thailand, and therefore the airport becomes just a buzz with
So how do I find
aircraft.
out when that's going to be?
Let me find out for you. Absolutely genius. Wow, fabulous. What a lovely flight you have.
ตามที่อาจารย์ได้บอกไว้นะครับบริษัทอุตสาหกรรมการบินเริ่มมาตั้งแต่ 20 ปีที่แล้ว
เพชรบูรณ์
เพชรบูรณ์
ครับ
แต่ตรงนี้มาจากเพชรบูรณ์ใช่ไหม
ครับผม
เพชรบูรณ์
เพชรบูรณ์
ว้าวมีทีมเชียงใหม่ไหม
เชียงใหม่ด้านหลัง
ด้านหลังนี่
อ๋อ Princess Royal โอเคทีมมาจากไหนครับชัยประการโอเคครับ Warming up literally to be a very exciting event for many people. This is not for everybody. This is not your typical air show with big things in front of you with lots of things to actually look and see in action all the time. This is a small affair, but it's very interesting for, as I say, some people. Today these people here from three clubs, three remote control clubs, Chai Prakran, Phetchabun and Chiang Mai Princess College are here, and apparently over the next couple of days they will compete with each other, which will be interesting for them. But they're making the models from scratch, and you can see the youngsters here, girls and boys, preparing their designs, preparing their aircraft, and they will fly them later today and also tomorrow. Now the week goes on through till Sunday, and I'm going to come back here on Friday when there's some bigger aircraft here, and there'll be a bit more flying around to see. Today there's interesting to see some model aircraft here that have been flown by some phalangs that have brought their lovely treasures along, and there are a lot of treasures here. Very interesting. There's both battery and also fuel, liquid fuel, the four-stroke fuel apparently, so you know, it's all way beyond me technically, but fascinating and interesting to see. I do hope that if you are in Chiang Mai in this next few days you can pop in and see this. There's a huge bird up here. Look at this huge bird. I've got to show you this. So hopefully if you're in Chiang Mai in the next few days, please pop in because I think you will get something from it if you're interested in seeing something a little bit different here in Chiang Mai, or maybe you're interested in the aircraft or just seeing machinery or things that people get up to in their hobbies. Because I think that's really interesting for youngsters today, and to see these clubs here, these three clubs competing with each other, I think that's fascinating because there's, you know, something of interest to do rather than looking at your iPad and, you know, looking at the telly. Anyway, thanks for joining me here in this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Yen.
โอเค
ใช่ใจเย็นใจเย็น
ใช่
เอาอีกนิดนึงเดี๋ยวซ้ายเองเลย